Ito guys, oh. Mamaw yung ano, mamaw yung Claude AI. Yan, nag-ano ko, how to cook fried chicken with demo animation. Tingnan mo naman. Meron na siyang putik chicken piece, flour, egg. What the? Binigay na niya lahat. Meron bang kasunod? Ayun, may kasunod. May demo guys. Putik yan. Pwede ba download? Download. Sige, download nga natin. Yan, fried chicken demo. Punta tayo sa downloads. Downloads. Putik na ka HTML pre. What? Naka HTML. Next. Ayan. Marinate the chicken. Okay, next. Set up the breading station. Fry at 175. What the? Rest and serve. What? Yan guys. Grabe ka naman, Claude. Yan. So kapag magpa-prompt kayo, how to cook fried chicken with demo animation. Bibigyan na kayo ng file guys. Hindi na kayo manonood ng video. Ito na.